Have you ever heard the term technical SEO and wondered what it really means? Well, it might sound complicated at first, but don't worry. In this video, we are going to break it down and make it easy for you to understand. By the time you are done with this video, you will have a clear grasp of technical SEO and why it's so important for your website success. Stick with me till the end because I'm going to share some um, very valuable tips that will help you improve your website's performance and search engine rankings. Trust me, these final tips are crucial and you wouldn't want to miss them. So let's start with the basic question. What is technical SEO? Right. So what exactly is technical SEO? Simply put, technical SEO refers to the process of optimizing the technical aspects of your website to help search engines crawl and index your content more effectively. Now, this goes beyond the usual on page SEO elements like keywords and content. Technical SEO focuses on the behind the scenes parts of your website, such as site speed, mobile friendliness, URL structure, and much more. Now, think of technical SEO as the foundation of a house. I'm sorry. If the foundation is weak, the rest of the house will crumble. Now, the same goes for your website. Sorry. If the technical aspects are not optimized, your chances of ranking well on search engines like Google will be much lower. So let's dive deeper into the key components of technical SEO. First thing is website crawlability and indexability. See, the first step in any SEO strategy is making sure that search engines can crawl and index your website. Crawling is the process where search engines send out bots, which are also called crawlers or spiders, to scan your website's pages. After crawling, search engines index the content so that it can appear in your search results. Without proper crawlability and indexability, your website will be invisible to search engines, no matter how great your content is. So, to ensure your website is crawlable, you should do what? Well, first you should create an XML sitemap. Now, this is like a roadmap for search engine, telling them about all the pages on your website that should be indexed. Robots.txt file. This file tells search engines which pages or sections of your website should not be crawled. Now, you want to make sure this file isn't blocking important content. Then check for broken links. See, broken links can cause crawlers to get stuck, which could lead to important pages being overlooked. So, regularly check for broken links and fix them. So, here's an action tip: use tools like Google Search Console to monitor crawl errors and ensure that search engines can access and index your content properly. Second thing is site speed and performance. What does it mean? Well, how fast is your website? This is a key question in technical SEO. Page speed has a direct impact on your site's user experience and SEO ranking. In fact, Google has confirmed that page speed is a ranking factor. The faster your site loads, the better the user experience and the higher your chances of ranking well. So, why does this matter? Well, research shows that users are less likely to stay on a website if it takes more than 3 seconds to load. Now, this means slow loading pages can increase bounce rates, which signals to search engines that your site is not providing a good user experience. So, what should you do to improve site speed? Well, the first thing you should do is compress images. Large image files can slow down your site. Use image compression tools to reduce file size without sacrificing quality. Then leverage browser caching. Now, this allows repeat visitors to load your pages faster by storing certain elements on their browser. Then minify CSS, JavaScript, and HTML. See, reducing unnecessary code will help your site load faster. So, here's an action tip for you. Use tools like Google Page Speed Insights or GT Metrics to test your site's speed and find areas which need improvement. Then, third is mobile friendliness. With more people using smartphones to browse the internet, having a mobile friendly website is crucial. In 2025, mobile traffic is expected to dominate, and Google has shifted to mobile first indexing, meaning it uses the mobile version of your site to rank and index content. So, the next question that comes to your mind is what exactly makes a website mobile friendly, right? So, the first thing is responsive design, which means your site should adapt to different screen sizes, whether someone is using a desktop, tablet, or smartphone. Then next is easy navigation. On smaller screens, it's important that users can easily navigate your website. Menus should be simple and buttons should be large enough to click without zooming in. Then next is touchscreen compatibility. Now ensure all interactive elements work smoothly on a touch screen. So here's an action tip for you. Test your site's mobile usability using Google's mobile friendly test tool. If your site is not mobile friendly, make the necessary design adjustments. Fourth is secure website, HTTPS. See, in today's world, website security is a top priority. HTTPS, which is Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure, is the secure version of HTTP, and it encrypts data between the user's browser and your website. So Google has confirmed that HTTPS is a ranking signal, meaning secure websites are likely to rank higher than those without SSL, secure socket layer certificates. So then you will ask, how do you know if your website is secure? Well, look at your URL. If it starts with HTTP, your site is not secure. If it starts with HTTPS, then it is. So if your website is not secure yet, you will need to get an SSL certificate. So here's an action tip for you. If your website does not already use HTTPS, invest in an SSL certificate. Many hosting providers offer this service at a low cost. Now, next point is URL structure and internal linking. See, a clean and organized URL structure is not only user friendly but also helps search engines understand the hierarchy of your website's pages. When URLs are clear and descriptive, search engines can crawl and index your pages more effectively. Additionally, internal linking plays a significant role in technical SEO. It helps search engines understand how your pages are related to each other and can distribute page authority across your website. So, what should you do? First, use descriptive URLs. What does this mean? So, instead of random numbers or characters, use keywords in your URL that clearly describe the page content. Then use internal links. Now, link to other relevant pages within your website to help search engines discover more of your content and improve user navigation. So, here's a small action tip for you. Review all your URL structure and make sure it is simple, clear, and includes relevant keywords. Also, ensure your internal linking strategy is strong. Next point is structured data and schema markup. See, structured data helps search engines understand the content on your page more effectively. So, by using schema markup, you can add specific tags to your website's content, which help search engines display rich snippets in search results. Now, rich snippets like star ratings, prices, or even dates improve the visibility and attractiveness of your search results. So, adding schema markup doesn't directly improve rankings, but it can increase your click through rate because your website's results stand out more in search. So here's an action tip for you. Use Google's structured data testing tool to ensure your schema markup is set up correctly. So in the end, I would say is see why technical SEO matters needs to be understood, because technical SEO is often overlooked, but it is just as important as an on-page and off-page SEO when it comes to ranking your website. So by focusing on site speed, mobile friendliness, crawlability, security, and structured data, you are giving your website the best chance to succeed in search rankings. Remember, technical SEO is about creating a solid foundation for your website. When your site runs smoothly and search engines can easily access and understand your content, you're setting yourself up for SEO success. So, what's next? Well, dive into websites' technical aspects, make the necessary improvements, and watch your rankings soar. Now, don't forget to keep learning and adapting to the ever changing world of SEO.